Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making a classic chocolate ganache. For today's video, I am basing it 100% on weight. I have 223 grams of semi-sweet chocolate here, and I also have exactly 223 grams of whipping cream. My whipping cream is rated at 35% milk fat. So for this recipe, we have equal weights, 223 grams of chocolate versus 223 grams of whipping cream. The result of using equal weights instead of using volumes is that I'm going to get a slightly thicker ganache because I'm going to be putting this onto a really nice brownie recipe that we just finished off in another video. And we're going to top it with this really nice chocolate ganache. So I've set up a pot with some simmering water. I've got it on a little portable stove. In other videos you see me heating the cream in the microwave and then combining the chocolate with the cream. So in this one here I thought I would just show you without a microwave. So we've got our simmering water. I'm just going to turn that down now. We'll put our heat-proof bowl on top. And then I'm going to get that 223 grams of cream into the bowl. So exactly what you would do in the microwave, we just want to heat this up. So this is a little bit longer, but if you're not comfortable using the microwave or you don't have a microwave, this is the way to go. So we'll get that in there. And now I'm going to apply a little bit more heat. I'm going to turn my little element on again. As soon as this gets hot, we're going to start adding our chocolate. So this is about 10 minutes later and my cream is nice and hot, and at this point we're going to start adding in our chocolate. So I'm just going to start breaking this in. We've got 223 grams of chocolate. Let's add all of this in. And then I'm going to take my spatula and I want to make sure that all of that chocolate is completely covered. You can already see that the chocolate's melting. If you have a good quality chocolate, it will start melting right away. A good test that you can do to see if you do have good quality chocolate is don't put anything in a bowl, just put a little bit of heat underneath the bowl, throw a little piece of chocolate in, and if it starts melting in 3 seconds, you know right away that your chocolate is good. You can already see that it's melting. So at this point, I'm just going to leave that there. I want that chocolate and the whipping cream to really become really good friends. We're just going to let that sit. So I'm going to let that go maybe about 3 minutes and then we'll come back. That just gives enough time for that cream to really start melting down that chocolate. So this is about 3 minutes later. And now I'm going to take my little spatula and you can see how nice this mixture is becoming. You just want to start in the middle. Don't be in a rush. This is very relaxing, and now just slowly start doing that little swirl. Doesn't look like much yet, just wait. It is going to be amazing. Now if you're using other types of chocolate and you find that it's not sweet enough, you can add a little bit of sugar. I would add powdered sugar because it will dissolve into the chocolate much nicer than a granulated regular sugar. Now we're just going to keep stirring. Clean the sides of your bowl and get everything incorporated. So after a good minute of stirring, you can see how nice the mixture of that whipping cream and chocolate has begun. And right now it is very warm, so it is very liquid. if I place this into the fridge and chill this for many hours, this will become so firm I could scoop it out with a spoon. What I'm going to be using this for, I'm going to be putting this into a piping bag and piping out little rosettes onto a nice brownie recipe that I did in another video. But that's it for this really fast video. I wanted to show you how easy it is to make a classic chocolate ganache. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the subscribe button. If you click on that, you'll be notified in your email each time I upload a brand new video. If you want to see me using this recipe, at the end of this video, one of the little images that you can click on will send you over to the brownie recipe where we will be using this exact chocolate ganache. A popular question that I get about chocolate ganache is, can I use this as a chocolate glaze? Yes, you can. You can use this inside a cake and also glaze your cake on the top and all the way around. You'll want to do that while the glaze is in a warmer state so that it actually drips down, because as this gets cold, it will get much more firm. Another thing that I like to do with a chocolate ganache is I make my faux chocolate mousse. I will let this cool down, and then I will take a hand mixer and I will whip this, and it turns into a very, very fluffy chocolate glaze, which I call my faux chocolate mousse. And I do show that technique in another video on my YouTube channel, BakeLikeAPro. And this is a very versatile recipe. You can also make chocolate truffles. Put this into your fridge, let it chill down, then you'll take a scoop, you can scoop it out, create little balls with it, and then roll it in cocoa powder. And there you will have an amazing chocolate truffle. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a really fun one to do. If you want to see this in action, make sure you click one of the little pictures for the brownies at the end of this video. That's it. I'll see you next time.